Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality Dofollow profile backlink, and also we will create a email submission backlink on this site. So the website name is walkscore.com. So this is a website URL and this is a dashboard. So before the started we can research something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 90 and according to Moj the domain authority is 76 and the spam score is 4%. And if you can talk about the how much traffic this website having, so according to SimilarWeb, this website drawing traffic 584k monthly visits, and the mostly traffic from USA, Canada, India, Australia, Vietnam and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic shows, brand building from that kind of country, then must you guys will create your backlink on this site. And so now we can start. Before that, if you're new on this channel, so please you can hit the subscribe and like button. So you can see top of the right corner there is a login button. You can click on this and you can choose any of a preferable method. You can proceed with Facebook, either Google. So once you guys will create your profile, so simply you can click on this and you can click on the profile button, and there is no need to you can verify your profile with the help of Gmail. And after that you can click on the settings button, and there you can see in the name section you can add your company name. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. And you will choose your profile picture, and there you can add your short description. Let me try to add this, and there you can add your website URL, your Twitter username. So I don't have Twitter now. So once you guys will complete these things, so you can check this box, and after that you can click on the save settings button. So you will see this is our backlink, and I can show you in incognito. So this is instant approved backlink or not. Okay, so let me copy first and I can show you in incognito. So you will see this is your profile landing page URL, and this is the backlink, and I can show you this is a no follower do follow. So you will see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So we have created profile backlink on this site. So now the time is to we can create image backlink. So first we can go to download any image. So you will see this is your profile landing page URL, and the top of the there is a right corner there is add photo button. You can click on this, and from there you guys will upload your image, and you can choose your category. So category is there. You can add your image title name. You can choose any of address, and there you can add your image submission, a targeted page targeted landing page URL, and there you can add your short description. Once you guys will complete these things, and after that you can click on the submit button. So you will see this is your image landing page URL, and I can show you in incognito. So this is instant approved backlink or not. So you can see this is 100% instant approved backlink, and if you can click, so you can like this picture either, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you will see this is 100% do follow backlink. You will see Okay, so image submission is no follow, for the profile is do follow backlink. So this is the process for the backlinking on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can want to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.